It's so nice to see all these like winter warm kind of tones out, that I thought it would be really nice to kind of play around with them and do like a kind of wintry sort of elevated daytime look.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to have a competition?
Yeah, let's have a competition. Okay, so we're all really familiar with these products. I'm not so familiar with the new stick, but I am with the Complexion Rescue. So whilst I'm putting this on, you can talk me through
yeah,
this.
this is my new favorite thing.
But this is the tinted hydrating
This is like the
cream.
big sister of that. I've wanted to wear a little bit more coverage on my skin, so I've been adding a little bit of the stick as well. You can blend it with your fingers or with the brush. I do a little bit of both.
So I just use that Complexion Rescue cream like kind of with my hands all over. I'm just going to go up on my forehead, otherwise it'll get into my hair.
So I like to start with the stick and just kind of get a nice even layer everywhere. And then I've had some spots lately, so I need to do some concealing. This is my favorite concealer I use all the time because it's a serum, so it's really lightweight on the little spots that I needed a little bit more. And underneath the eye, I always end up using an eyeshadow brush to blend my concealer.
You think this is a good color for me? Ginger?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going to do what you did and like...
Just kind of go for it. It feels good, and it's great if you want to throw it in your handbag and do touch-ups. Which highlighter do I want to wear today? I think I'm going to go for Whimsy.
I always put my concealer like 2 little dabs in the corner there. And then 2 little dabs right here. It is so great, that concealer. Look how quick and easy it blends. Taking whatever concealer you put under your eyes and putting a little bit around my nose, and that just kind of contours the nose a little bit.
I'm going to use one of the darker foundations to do a bit of contour. I love these foundations for sculpting because it really is smooth and you can kind of shape it out. And I'm like pressing my brush into the face. Do you want to take a moment to appreciate how good my cheeks look?
Do you like it?
Okay, good. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of blush.
Well, I'm going to do my bronzer now with the Bare Pro Glow bronzer. So this is a liquid bronzer, which is quite a strong colour. So again, less is more. I'm using this big fluffy brush. I love this brush.
I love that brush too.
Pushing it into the cheekbones, and then I bring it down into my jaw. I'll usually use the edge of the brush. I'm going to do it anyway. Into the socket of my eye. Okay, so now I'm done with the bronzer. I really love that bronzer. It's lovely, and it's like a highlighter,
yeah,
kind of
it's
hybrid.
really pretty.
So I'm wearing a lot of gold jewelry. I was looking at this color Firefly, which is like this kind of like
So
gorgeous
pretty.
gold.
Yeah.
So I thought that could be fun to use. And I'm going to take this flat brush, the Expert Shadow and Liner. One really good way of like getting a really quick eyeshadow look is to choose one color and just use it across the whole eyelid, and not worry too much about trying to blend a bunch of different colors.
I always wear more of a shimmer eyeshadow, so I think it would be fun to try a matte.
So I'm just using like the tip of the brush to kind of work into the brow bone area, and then I'm using the flat of the brush to like push it in.
This taupey purple rose is a tone that looks good on everybody. Just a little tiny bit underneath.
So I'm just going to take the fluffy brush now and just make sure there's no harsh edges. Just blend it out. Like, that's the power of just using one great color.
Yeah.
And how quick that is, and I feel like you get a really great look.
So I'm doing the Love Every Lash. I love this mascara. I feel like it doesn't weigh down my eyelashes. So do you always do your highlighter kind of towards the end?
Yeah, that's one of the last things I usually do.
I think so too.
Top of that will look nice with the eyeshadow. This is Peachy Keen. I'm going to use this brush, the Dual Finish Blush and Contour. I'm going to use the white side, which is going to help me see how much I have on the brush.
It's really pretty. I like that blush.
Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Because I love these eyeliners so much. I'm going to use the one fine line, and it's in this kind of beautiful chocolate color. And I'm going to line the upper waterline of my eye.
Basically put this everywhere. Spice.
It's beautiful. It's like a terracotta.
I want to do a little bit of gloss over the top. What are you doing?
So I'm going to layer as well because I can't decide. And I'm looking at Peony, which is more of a kind of like nudie, taupey color, which could look nice. And then I really love this color, which is called Cinnamon, which is basically my lip color.
I love that
And
one.
I like how warm it looks. Oh, I love this color.
Me too.
These Bare Pro Longwear lips are amazing.
That shade is one of my favorites. We did it.
What's that?
I like it. I love that. All right.
You
Should we go
agree?
eat?
Let's go eat.